भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMA समाचार चैनल from the international world. Indonesia, officially the Republic of Indonesia, is a country in Southeast Asia and Oceania between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It consists of more than 17,000 islands, including Sumatra, Java, Borneo, Sulawesi, and New Guinea. Indonesia is the world's largest island country and the 14th largest country by land area. The country's capital, Jakarta, is the second most populous urban area in the world. It has 34 provinces, from which 5 have special status. Indian-Indonesia relations refer to the bilateral relations of India and Indonesia. India and Indonesia are neighbors. India shares a border with Indonesia. India's Andaman and Nicobar Island share a maritime border with Indonesia along the Andaman Sea. China-Indonesia relations refers to the relations between China and India. The relations between two nations have been ongoing for centuries and were officially recognized in 1950. India-China talks at Chuzhou in the middle of Taiwan. China and America's fighter plane in Taiwan space. Corona is not wreaking havoc in Mumbai until 31st July. Started lockdown in Maharashtra. Power grid can be hacked. The power gate by China. China is doing cyber attack on India. Attack of terrorists in Pakistan. Country Rafale coming to India by 22nd July. 6 Rafale to settle the aggressions of China. All school colleges in India will remain closed till 31st July. Environment. The Mississippi River is the second longest river and chief river of the second largest drainage system on the North American continent, second only to the Hudson Bay drainage system. From its traditional source of Lake Itasca in northern Minnesota, it flows generally south for 2,320 miles to the Mississippi River Delta in the Gulf of Mexico. Invention. Alessandro Giuseppe Antonio Anastasio Volta was born on 18 February 1745. He was an Italian physicist, chemist, and pioneer of electricity and power, who is credited as the inventor of the electric battery and the discoverer of methane. He invented the voltaic pile in 1799 and reported the results of his experiments in 1800 in a 2-part letter to the President of the Royal Society. Great person. Sant Gyaneshwar was a 13th century Indian Marathi Sant, poet, philosopher and yogi of Nath Vaishnav tradition. In his short life of 21 years, he authored Gyaneshwari commentary on the Bhagavad Gita. These are the oldest surviving literary works in the Marathi language under the patronage of the Yadava dynasty of Devgiri, and these are considered to be milestones in Marathi literature. State. Nagaland is a landlocked state in northeastern India. It is bordered by the state of Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Assam to the west, Manipur to the south, and the Xinjiang region of Myanmar to the east. Nagaland capital city is Kohima and its largest city is Dimapur. It has an area of 16,579 square kilometers. Nagaland became the 16th state of India on 1st December 1963. Crops. Kinao is a flowering plant in the family Amarnath family. It is a herbaceous annual plant grown as a crop primarily for its edible seeds. The seeds are rich in protein, dietary fibers, B vitamins and dietary minerals in amount greater than in many grains. Quinoa is not a grass but rather than a pseudo-cereal botanically related to spinach and amarnath. Fruits. The black currant, also known as black currant or cassis, is a woody shrub in the family Grossulaceae, grown for its berries. It is native to the temperate parts of Central and Northern Europe and Northern Asia, where it prefers damp, fertile soils and is widely cultivated both commercially and domestically. Fruit of black currants, when eaten raw, has a strong tart flavors. It can be made into jams and jellies, which it ideally because of the fruit's high content of pectin and acid. Flowers. Plumeria is a genus of flowering plants in the family Apocynaceae. Most species are deciduous shrubs or small trees. The species variously are endemic to Mexico, Central America and the Caribbean, and as far south as Brazil and north as Florida, but are grown as cosmopolitan ornamentals in warm region. Plumeria is used as a common name, especially in horticultural circles. Yoga. Balasana. Balasana is an easy yoga asana that can even be performed by beginners. In Sanskrit, Bala means child and asana refers to one posture. Thus, this pose is also called child pose. It is a counter asana for many asanas and is performed preceding and following Shirshasana, as it is a resting pose. The health benefits of Balasana help relieve fatigue, stimulates digestion and elimination. It also gently stretches the ankles, hips and shoulders. Universe. Nanga Parvat, locally known as Dimar. It is the ninth highest mountain in the world at 8,126 meters above sea level, located in the Dimar district of Gilgit-Baltistan region, Pakistan. Nanga Parvat is the western and shore of Himalayas. The name Nanga Parvat is derived from the Sanskrit word Nanga and Parvat, which together means naked mountain. The mountain is locally known by its Tibetan name Dimar or Mud, meaning huge mountain. In engineering, the algebra used these sources support the to solve algebra equations, solve problems with particular references, the use of equations to solve engineering problems, manipulation of equations to change the subject, simplification of equation and functions, indices, quadratic equation, stimulates similar equations, linear equation, partial fractions, and interpret change in engineering system from graphs. Ayurveda. Salvia rosmarinus, commonly known as rosemary, is a wood perennial herb with fragrant evergreen needle-like leaves with white, pink, purple or blue flowers, natives to the Mediterranean region. Until 2017, it was known by the scientific name Rosmarinus officinalis, known as synonym. Town village. Khajuraho is a town in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh located in Chhatarpur district, one of the most popular destinations in India. Khajuraho has the country's largest group of medieval Hindu and Jain temples, famous for the erotic sculptures. The Khajuraho group of monuments has been listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1986 and is considered one of the 7 wonders of India. The town's name, anciently Khajuraho, is derived from the Sanskrit word Kharjur, meaning date palm. Today's event, 1422, Battle of Arbadar between the Duke of Milan and the Swiss cantons. 1651, the Delagoon Camaltic uprising. The Battle of Berestechko ends with a Polish victory. 1688, the immortal 7th issue of the Invitation of William Westwood culminate in the Glorious Revolution. 7-year war, the Battle of Darmstadt takes place 1758. International Asteroid Day. Weather news. 23 districts in the grip of floods in Assam or Assam. Today's temperature in Patna 26 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 30 degrees Celsius. The Indo-Pakistani War of 1965 was a culmination of skirmishes that took place in between April 1965 and September 1965 between Pakistan and India. The conflict between following Pakistan Operation Gibraltar, which was designed to infiltrate forces into Jammu and Kashmir to precipitate an insurgency against Indian rule. India retaliated by launching a full-scale military attack on West Pakistan. The Seventh-day War caused thousands of casualties on both sides and witnessed the largest engagement of armored vehicles and the largest tank battle since World II. Most of the battles were fought by opposing infantry and armored units with sustained backing from air forces and naval operations. Let's pronunciation of some words. Accessory. The first C has a hard sound. C. Accessory, not accessory. Second word, anyway. The problem with this sound is not so much pronunciation as the addition of an unnecessary sound. Don't add an is to make it anyways. The word is anyway. Today is food, that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः